Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply stake your Floki Inu on any of your wallet exchanges. Our first step is going to be opening up your browser, and the website of interest is coinmarketcap.com. You can then find its contract address. As you can see, Floki Inu exists on the Ethereum blockchain, but it's also present in the Smart Chain network. That's BEP20. You could as well make use of the BEP20. So once you minimize and open up your Trust Wallet is the wallet we're going to be using. You head over to your browser section where we have PancakeSwap and the Uniswap exchange. These are both decentralized exchange platforms. Seeing as we copied its Ethereum address, we're going to be using Uniswap. Uniswap is much easier to make use of, seeing as the liquidity percentage is a bit higher on Uniswap than PancakeSwap. So once you open up Uniswap, make sure you head over to the pool, which is at the bottom of the screen here, and you simply click on add new position, and you click on select the token, and then you simply paste the wallet address you just copied, the contract address you just copied, which belongs to the Floki Inu. Click on Floki. As you can see here, you're given the chance to add liquidity to this pool. You can simply add liquidity here, which means you're going to be staking both your Ethereum and Floki in exchange for massive profits, depending on the market movement and the liquidity of the market at that point in time. So if you were to input an amount of Ethereum, let's go with 0.01 and 4,000 Floki, you have to make sure your balance matches. But once you have enough Floki on your balance, you'd be able to stake this, or you'd be able to add this liquidity to the market. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can stake your Floki Inu, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.